Snapchat Cameos is the Cameo feature is there to convey a quick video reaction to your Snapchat friends. There are over 100 sample videos to which you can attach your face. Essentially, a Snapchat Cameo is like a selfie you insert into a funny clip. When you make a Snapchat Cameo clip, you can share it with your Snapchat friends via chat. You can also co-star in a Snapchat Cameo with your friend. If you can't contain your excitement any longer, don't worry. Follow the instructions to mock. Make sure to download the latest version of Snapchat for your device. The provided link will let you download this fun app on Android or iOS devices. Launch Snapchat on your device. Open Chat, and select the smiley face button and select the outline of a face with the plus symbol. Select the Cameo background and align your face with it so that it fits naturally. When ready, capture a selfie. Stay in chat, and look at all the Cameo options. Select one and press send to share it with your friends. You can send your Cameo to multiple people at once. Now that you've created your Cameo outline, you can keep sending various cameos from the chat window while talking to your friends on Snapchat. You can also create quick cameos from the Recent tab, since the app will remember your cameo pattern. You can change this pattern whenever you please by visiting the Cameo menu once again and choosing a different cameo tile. After that, tap the More button and choose New Selfie. You can also preview your selfie here.